using until a last drop. And I'm gonna use just a little. Let me get my cover handle there. I'll go ahead and apply the, yesterday I did this Swirl super fun and easy and simple, no crystal those. But however, like if you are having your clients and the clients want some crystal on the top of the Swirl design, absolutely you can. If the clients don't want anything else, they are like, you can add the top coat on and keep for 60 seconds and they're ready to go. So I'm floating the no white top coat right on the top of the unclear condensed glue gel. I'm gonna still want to keep that the Swirl's patterns right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and add super cute like perfect shots from glow in the dark crystal collections. And then I'm using an SS size, smaller size. I'm going ahead and add it on. I still want to keep my my swirl though, so I am go ahead and using like the crystal and just have it go like, how do I saying it, like a wraparound. Just go with the design. All right, so I'm gonna add some. You can still having a swirl nails and still having fun with the crystal placement. Is you don't have to stop, or the clients don't have to stop if they are like, oh my gosh, I want the swirl, I want to be, it's really cool and shiny, but I also want crystal too. So you can add crystal on. Here's how everyone doing. Hope y'all have a fabulous day. If you're working, have a fabulous and productive day. Well, I hope your day was great. And if you're having a day off, you know, have a fabulous day off. Sorry, I'm gonna go ahead and adjusting this because I want to go as kind of an angle, like diagonal. All right, I'm happy with this. It looks so cute and simple though. Here for 30 seconds. Full cure 60 seconds, but I'm gonna cure for is 30 seconds first. You know what? I wanna get just a little bit of the frame right there. All right, cure for 30 seconds.